Hello, this is Colin Naples again. Another one of these crazy ass McDonald's unboxing toy Pokemon things. Anyways, what will we be unboxing today? Oshawott. Basically, that's basically what we're going to yeah. So yes, let's get this started immediately. This is the Oshawott toy. So I'll open it now. Come on, bro. Yeah, it doesn't want to open. There we go. Yep. Bobbling Oshawott. Put it somewhere where it bobbles. Ah, right over here. Bobble. Yay! It's bobbling. A little bit. A little bit. Whatever. Alright, so I'll just leave it there. 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 Come on, camera. Come on, camera. Close up, I guess. Back. 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 There we go. It'll just sit there. Alright, and the card that I have is Blitzel. Interesting. Nah, it's not gonna work. Got a nice, neat little Blitzel card. So yeah, neat. All right, so I'm going to put the bobble Oshawott over here, and there you go, folks. That is my vid. Colin Naples.